right. You know Jesus? Hey, this is Noah Gospel, ex-street preacher and firearm enthusiast with the SAR USA K2 from Turkey in 45 ACP. First of all, this weapon is safe and clear, and I'm not going to go through this whole speech again. Every single time I do one of these videos, you can see that it's clear. All right, second of all, just to let you know, when I used to preach on the streets, I never carried. I had a permit, but I never carried. Cops are already very antagonistic towards street preachers. People don't trust street preachers. Not a good look for a street preacher. So anyway, I took this thing out to the range and I had a great time. It functioned properly, great trigger. It was just a fantastic weapon. So let's just roll the footage.
Man, I'm having a hard time seeing this front sight post here. White on white's very difficult for me.